It all happened 2022 on March, and we are on the way in Malbar, Batangas sa Lima Park Hotel. Ito ay 4-star hotel. And as you can see, konti lang talaga yung mga dumalo dito kasi pandemic days to. At yung mga dumalo lang dito halos yung for awarding lang. Ganun. Kasi pandemic era nga. And yan, I'm with Mr. Rosuliano and Sir Aldea, aking mga colleagues and classmates, and they're all have honors. And they're all top-notcher din. Kaya yun. So, medyo konti kami dito pa ng pandemic. And that I am. I'm so proud of myself kasi nabingwit ko pa yung pagiging regional top-notcher yan. And yun, yung part na yan is isa lang yung pin na nabili namin. So yun, struggling kami na ilalagay na lang nila sa akin ko, no, ganyan. Isa lang yung nabili namin. Medyo nagtitipid kasi kami yung tatlo niya. So yun, saya naman. So, story pala behind that is, nag-e-oat na kami, yung virtual OT game. Tapos, dito kasi is for invitation lang sa mga top-notchers. So, yun. So, parang sinabi na rin na induction tsaka ceremony. Pero, we already have taken our oath na as a community. So, dito, yun, parang nag-pledge ka lang as a top-notcher.
Of PCAP, the Philippine Constitution,
the Criminology Professional Regulatory Law,
the Operational Regulatory Law,
the laws of the land, the programs, policies, and principles of PCAP,
the programs, policies, and principles of PCAP,
and the Criminologist Code of Ethics, and professional conduct. That I will heartily accept these obligations. I will faithfully and conscientiously perform my responsibilities as a member of PCAP. And that I impose these obligations upon myself in the free exercise of my volition, voluntarily, without mental reservation. So help me God. Congratulations! I will now proceed.
Sa lahat ng mga awarding na napuntahan ko, siguro ito yung pinakamasaya so far. And yeah, congratulations! At alam ko may mga nakasabay ako dito na super gagaling like Nina Butet. Thank you po!